arrival of the train from Tóquio. An American documentary produced in 1898 by the Edison Manufacturing Company, directed by James Henry White and Frederick Blechynden. Filmed at the Yokohama railway station in Japan, it shows a train arriving from Tóquio, as indicated by the official title. After the train comes to a stop, passengers can be seen boarding and disembarking. The film survives only as a polyester print owned by the Swedish Film Institute and is not available for digital viewing.